My name is Jonathan Fiello, and I'm the Vice President of Product Development and Engineering. Over the years, we have had people asking, do you make HVAC filters? Whether we're at specific events, racing events, or car shows, or even through our social media pages, it is a commonly asked question. And so we've been in development, obviously, for several years, and we knew we needed to do that in order to complement the other performance products, the other superior filtration products that we make for the automotive space. Most of the people that inquire about the K&N HVAC filter, they are our current customers or have been a previous K&N customer. And so this is a product that, can now open your eyes to, hey, reusable HVAC filters are great. They help the environment and they're superior to a lot of the other products that are out in the market. The typical DIYer for the automotive space takes really good care of their vehicle, and obviously they do a lot of the work themselves. So this will support that DIY mentality to take good care of their house as well. The biggest challenges to developing the K&N HVAC filter was making sure that we didn't degrade the material after washing. Since this product has a lifetime warranty, we wanted to make sure it could withstand several washings. Through our in-house lab here, we had to make sure, we developed the cleaner that complemented that. We had to make sure the cleaner, removed everything that was held in an HVAC unit, and that when the filter was clean and installed back in the HVAC unit, it performed as it did when it was brand new. I think the biggest benefit for the consumer that purchases the new K&N HVAC filter is, this is the last time you have to buy an HVAC filter for your house. You do have to clean it, but you can clean it at the intervals depending on the use. But I think the biggest benefit is not having that last ditch effort, the last ditch thought like, oh man, I need to replace my HVAC unit. Now it's, I just need to clean it.